Wheelchairs operate in a really, really tough environment. There's a lot of collision, and if you look at Catherine's wheelchair, before we put LUCI on it, it was so beat up. And so one of the things, of course we're doing collision avoidance, but we also wanted to make sure that LUCI was really tough. And so from the way we designed our housings, to the way we designed the way it mounts to the chair, we spent a lot of time on all those things to make sure that they could take impacts and they could take the wear and tear of everyday use of a wheelchair.
It's surprisingly easy to tag things while you're driving a wheelchair, and sometimes you don't even know that you hit something. And I mean, we have to build a system that can take that. A lot of times companies come up with products and they're like, yeah, it's good enough. And it's not. Like, if it's not good enough for Catherine, it's not good enough.
So we've done a ton of in-house testing, besides just driving around in our test track and all that, things you wouldn't think of. So, for example, we've done a lot of computer analysis around the vibration of the system and making sure that there wouldn't be any harmonics that would cause weird behaviors of our system. We've done a lot of drop testing, impact testing, where we're dropping weights and steel balls on our housings that are mounted to a wheelchair and making sure that they can stand up to that. We've done force analysis on our housings. Again, that's a computer simulation to make sure that if you press on the plastic housings, they're going to be firm. We've done a whole bunch of a thermal analysis to make sure that the heat that the electronics create gets dissipated well and doesn't mess with the performance of LUCI.
We can't have this thing malfunctioning in the rain. It's got to be safe whenever someone's driving. So we developed it to IP54 standards, so splashed water can't get in.
The design is definitely integrated. It's balanced in its size and shape, but also it had to be robust enough that if you ran into an object with it, it didn't break.
The quality of each product that goes into LUCI is extremely important. From the smart frame sheet metal, to the mini custom circuit boards and electronics in our system, to the plastic enclosures in our fusion sensors. LUCI is made in America, and we take pride in every step.